Asan ang nose ni Ace? Asan ang eyes ni Ace? Baby, asan yung eyes?
Bumaba naman si Denise, tama ba?
Asan yung hair ni Ace? Hair. Very good. Asan yung nose? Nose. Asan yung eyes? Baby, asan yung eyes? Ayun, eyes. Asan ang ears? Ears. 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 Ears, baby, ears. Ears. Asan yung teeth? Teeth. Dila. Asan yung dila?
Dumating ngayon
Yun. Asan yung kamay ni Ace? Kamay. Yun. Asan yung paa? Yun. Asan yung nose? Nose. Eyes. Eyes ni Ace. Asan ang eyes ni Ace? Eyes. Ears. Ears. Asan ang ears mo? Asan ang ears? Ears. 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 Ears mo, baby. Ears. Ears. Yung ears mo. Asan ang nose ni Ace? Baby, asan ang nose? Baby. I love yung socks. Love mo yung paa mo? Love? Asan naman yung nose ni Ace? Nose. Ears. Asan yung hair? Hair. Hair naman, hair. Hair, ayun, hair. Ears. Asan yung teeth ni Ace? Teeth. Teeth. Ayun. Dila.
So, iyon ang malinaw na sinasabi
Dila.
ng NBI, kaya
Ha?
imposible yung sinasabing
Kamay ni Ace. Asan ang kamay? Asan ang tummy? Tummy. Tummy, tummy. Asan ang tummy?
Kubawa live mula sa NBI.